Before we move on to the next phase of this project, we want to collect all of our best versions of these images into a new folder called Final Images. You can also create a new folder with this icon right here. Now we want to take only the best ones here. So let me sort by name so that these are all in numerical order. And I'm going to use Control and click on the pictures that I want to take. If I have Photoshopped them, they'll have the word edited after the number and before the file name. If you don't have that, you can open up any Photoshop files and save them really quickly as JPEGs with the word edited in them before we do this. Notice how number 1, I have several of them. Here's number 2, and it's already as good as I could get it. So here's number 3, edited for my hot dog. And then the rest of these I do not have Photoshop files for. So I'm control clicking on all of them. I can press Control C or right click and copy, and then go into the Final Images folder and Control V paste. Notice I had selected the Final Images folder as well, and you can't copy it into itself, so I'm going to skip that. And it looks like I have 10 items. Let me make sure I didn't get any duplicates. 1, 2, oh, the 10th was the Final Images folder. So now I have 9 items selected. If you have 12, then that's great. If not, then the 9 will do. If you don't have 9, then you'll need to download some of the generic ones that I'm giving you off at the bottom of week 4.